In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an email campaign in Mailchimp. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up and send a professional marketing email to your subscribers with confidence. Start by logging in to your Mailchimp account. Once you're in, look at the left sidebar and click Campaigns. This is your hub for everything you send. Next, click the Create Campaign button, then choose Email as the campaign type. Give your campaign a clear, descriptive name so you and your team can recognize it later, and click Begin or Continue to move into the setup screens. You'll start in the To section. Here, choose the audience you want to send the email to. Select the list that matches your goal for this campaign. If you use groups or segments in your account, you can choose those here as well. Make sure you're sending only to people who have opted in to receive your emails. This helps protect deliverability and your sender reputation. Now move to the From section. Enter the sender name your subscribers will recognize and trust, and the sender email address you'll use consistently. Using a domain you own and keeping this information steady across campaigns helps improve open rates and reduces the chance of landing in spam. Next, add your subject line in the Subject section. Keep it clear, concise, and focused on the value inside the email. Aim for something that sets expectations without using spammy language or too many punctuation marks. If preview text is available, consider adding a short line that complements your subject. Click Design Email to build the content. Choose a template that fits your message or select Start from Scratch for full control. In the email builder, drag in blocks like text, images, and buttons. Keep paragraphs short, use headers to guide the eye, and make your main call to action button obvious and easy to click. Use high-quality, optimized images, add alt text for accessibility, and link your buttons and images to the right URLs. Keep your branding consistent with your colors, logo, and tone, and make sure the layout looks good on both desktop and mobile. When you're happy with the design, click Save and Exit. You'll return to your campaign overview. Take a moment to review your settings. Confirm the audience from details and subject, and make sure your content looks correct. When everything checks out, click Send to deliver immediately, or choose Schedule to pick a future date and time. Confirm your selection, and you're all set. That's how you create and send an email campaign in Mailchimp.